Watch to the end. The most interesting part is at the very end. Ophioscolex glacialis is an Antarctic brittle star that looks built for punishment. Living in some of the coldest marine environments on Earth, this species inhabits deep polar waters where temperatures hover near freezing year-round and food arrives sporadically from above. At first glance, it does not resemble the delicate brittle stars common in warmer seas. Ophioscolex glacialis has a thick, heavily armored central disk and stout, spiny arms. This robust construction is not decorative. It is a direct response to life under ice, pressure, and mechanical stress from sediment movement and slow but constant currents. Unlike fast-moving relatives, this species is not designed for speed. Its arms are shorter and stronger, favoring stability over agility. This matters on the Antarctic seafloor, where conserving energy is more important than chasing prey. Ophioscolex glacialis feeds primarily on organic particles, detritus, and small benthic organisms, gathering food slowly and efficiently. Here is the factual detail most people miss. Studies of Antarctic echinoderms show that species like Ophioscolex glacialis often have extremely slow growth rates and long lifespans. In some cases, individuals may live for decades. Low temperatures dramatically slow metabolism, turning time itself into a survival tool. Another key adaptation lies in its tissues. The connective structures of Antarctic brittle stars remain flexible at temperatures that would make similar tissues brittle in warmer water species. This prevents damage during movement and feeding, even when the surrounding water is close to the freezing point of seawater. Reproduction is also shaped by the cold. Development is slow. Larvae may spend extended periods in the water column, and successful recruitment depends heavily on seasonal pulses of food sinking from surface plankton blooms. Miss the timing, and an entire generation can fail. Ophioscolex glacialis is not rare because it is weak. It is rare because its environment is extreme. It represents a strategy based on endurance, structural strength, and patience rather than speed or aggression. In the deep Antarctic Ocean, surviving the cold is a greater challenge than escaping predators. This brittle star reminds us that evolution does not always favor complexity or motion. Sometimes, survival comes from being slow, tough, and perfectly matched to a hostile world. Albert Einstein once said, "In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity." For Ophioscolex glacialis, extreme cold was not an obstacle. It was the opportunity to thrive where few others can. If this changed your understanding of the deep ocean, please support the channel. Like the video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which ancient creature you'd like to see next.